everyone respects Brute to Force. Why does he have so much authority in the space? Do you ever see him shilling a course or, God forbid, dick ratings? You'll never see him selling some bullshit like that, right? And again, that's the reason we wanted to start a physical product company, right? Bro, we could start a course company. We could sell courses. All of you guys would buy it. All of you guys would buy it. But we didn't. We made a physical product. No bullshit. You can go on the website, see exactly what you're getting, the exact dosages that are in you know exactly what you're getting, right? Like Pierre was saying, we can go to sleep at night because we're not shilling some bullshit. We're not shilling you a course. We're not selling dick ratings. We're not posting our watches and cars for other men's approval. We're selling a real thing that gets delivered to your door, and you know exactly what it is before you buy it. There's no shame.
And here's the thing, too. Here's the thing. When you make an authentic company and you're somebody who actually takes pride in what you do, and everybody watching this should take pride in what you do, be better. Because why is this selling? Because this is selling. Like Reese said, we could sell a BizOp course, something where we're teaching you how to do said thing. And in a business like that, it's impossible to make guarantees because people are not going to work, right? You can make some people work. You can't make everybody work. So it's impossible to really guarantee anything. But why, even though that route would make us more money in the short term, now I'm not going to lie, when we eventually exit this company, it's going to make redacted amounts of money, right? But why is it just some bullshit? Why does everybody listen to us whenever we're selling a product? It's genuinely better. So who are our main competitors in the space? Because you're big, this is a call out. More plates, more dates. Derek, Joe Rogan. I can't stand either one of you. Just kidding. You're probably good people. This is almost twice the dosage of Gorilla Mind Sigma, which is our main competitor in the same exact product.
Over twice the dosages.
And the ingredients are tested, and they're all authentic, and they're sourced beautifully and perfectly, and we have certificate of analysis to show that. So you're sitting here, and I'm just giving you the best thing ever. So yeah, I have pride in it. I'm going to take it everywhere I go. If I could plaster a giant logo right here, I would. And you would just never not see this every time you saw me. Right? But I'm a good marketer, so I know that I'm not going to shove it in your face 100 million times. But if I could, I would. So that's your competitive edge. Finding what's authentic to what you actually want to do. And once you do that, you get what's called influence. So our business partner is who? Sneeko. Sneeko is one of our business partners. Obviously, Arnell is running Sabre. Not all of us, but a lot of us are running Sabre. And then you have Sneeko. So Sabre is me, Reese, DK, Closing USD.